welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, DIY with Anais. I hope you're doing amazing today. We got a new video going. Vettsy was so kind enough to send over this really pretty box of Polygel, y'all. So this is a small company. I will link everything down below in the description, their Instagram and all. Their package was very, very put together, and it honestly is perfect for beginners because it has everything you need. So this is, like I said, a Polygel kit. Y'all, haven't done Polygel in such a while. Your girl has been busy and booked and just doing so many other things. But I am really excited to try this one out. So it came with some really cute cheetah leopard print stickers, and like peep the sticker on the top that says thank you for supporting my small business. So it is, like I said, one of the more smaller brands of Polygel, and I just love their detail to everything, like even to the bubble wrap. Like, look how cute the hearts are. Like, I didn't even realize they were hearts until I actually opened it. It was just so cute. So this kit comes with a couple of really good goodies that you would need to do Polygel. So it comes with a little mini UV light. I believe it's like a 15 water, so it's very low, but if you cure it for like a full 3 minutes, you should be fine. And it also comes with like a USB cord, so you can connect it to like an adapter and then plug it in, or you can just connect it to like some type of computer or electronic. It comes with nail tips and dual forms. Now, these aren't nail tips, these are full cover tips, but you get the gist. So you can do like the lazy girl method with it, like you can do just the regular dual form method, whatever you want. It does come with paper nail forms, comes with some slip solution, your standard base coat top coat, which I ended up using, your 180 grit, and this is like just a standard nail file, nothing crazy. It comes with your dual ended brush, one side to like scoop your Polygel and apply your Polygel, and then your brush. The brush is on the smaller side, which I appreciate. I don't like big brushes, if that makes sense, just because it's like really annoying to like apply the Polygel, so I appreciate small ones. Y'all, it also comes with clips, y'all, clips. Okay, so you know, like these are essential for removing your this is essential for when you want to like do a lazy girl method, or you're trying to like encapsulate something and you need to hold your nail in place. Like, it's perfect. I actually have never had one before, and I've low-key always needed one. I just was too lazy to invest. So I'm really happy that came in that kit, because that's honestly everything that you will ever need in a Polygel kit. And then, as always, it will include Polygels. So this one came with, I believe, 6. I'll probably be wrong. So this one's light pink, and they all come individually wrapped and sealed for, you know, any like leakage or spillage and stuff like that. And they're pretty like a good range of colors, if I might say. So, you know, these are pink, purple, darker pink, a nice yellow, like the colors that you can like blend, mix together, do really cool looks with. So it was a really cool range of colors. I have yet to use like the darker ones, but I did use the pinks and the purples. So it comes with 8, or yes, it comes with 8. I recorded this video a while back and just really haven't had time to edit it, so I'm really glad that I finally got to get it out to y'all so you can see. But look, this is the range of colors, and when you cure them, it's the same color. So I am going in with the A-press dupe method, but I'm just going to be gluing my tips, my half tips, with the 3-in-1 Burano, and y'all know that's like a slip solution, nail glue, and a base coat, so you can really use it for anything you want. So I obviously glued them on, and then I am using the light purple for my middle finger and my ring finger. And I really wanted to use the cheetah, I'm gonna say leopard, the leopard stickers. So I wanted the colors to kind of match with the stickers. So this is why I went with those range of colors. On my index finger, pinky, and thumb, I ended up doing like a really pretty ombre. So I used the darker pink, and y'all know how I do my ombres. If y'all watched my videos before, you know that I start with the tip and use one color and drag my product down towards the cuticle until it's evenly distributed and, you know, there's no clumps and stuff like that. And then I'll use my lighter color, the color that I'm trying to ombre with, and I will put a bead towards the nail bed and drag down towards the tip of the nail. And that's pretty much it. You do want to cure in between, because otherwise your colors are just going to flood together. You want to make sure that you have a smooth bottom as well, smooth surface, before you put another color on top. You don't want your bottom color to be bumpy, to be not fully cured. It's just gonna be mucky, and you definitely don't want that. So once you cure that in between, you're gonna put that second color. Alright, after a full cure, I am going in with some builder gel, and this is from Dipped and Dusted Nails. I have a code Anais 10. Make sure you use that code to support small businesses. And this is just to basically make sure that when I file, my ombre doesn't become a hot mess. This is just like a protective layer. And then you cure that for about 90 seconds. And then I show y'all a little bit how I like to file. I haven't actually done my physical nails in a while. I do it like for, you know, a daily basis, you know, type look, but I haven't actually done this long of a set in a while. So when I do my nails, I do 100 grit, and I, you know, file the edges of my nails, and then I go ahead and get a nail drill and just buff everything out, make sure that everything's flush and even. So it is important to do that, because when you put your top coat, you're just gonna notice all the grooves and the holes in your polygel. So you definitely want to buff everything out. And then I'm just going in with some alcohol and cleaning everything off. You don't want any dust particles, because then when you put your top coat, it's just gonna be kind of like grainy, and you don't want that. So I'm going in with the leopard stickers, and I am just going to be applying these to my middle finger and my ring finger. And this is such a cute touch to the kit. I think it brings the kit to life, and you can use it for like different looks. So I ended up doing like a base coat on the bottom and then applying the stickers, and then I did another top coat layer. For my ring and pinky, I did want to go with like some pearl, like caviar beads, just because it had leopard. So I wanted to kind of like, I was kind of like thinking of like a purse, like a leopard purse with like, you know, those cute little caviar like things sticking in the purse. So I ended up just doing that, and it came out really, really cute together. So this is the final look. I ended up putting up some cuticle oil from Dipped and Dusted Nails. Make sure you go check that out. But y'all, this was a very easy, fun look to do. Like I said, this kit came with absolutely everything. So not only are you getting a really good deal for everything that comes in the kit, but you're also, you're able to create like as many looks as you possibly can with the kit. So it's affordable, you're supporting small businesses, and y'all, look how cute it comes out. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you again so much for watching. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe. I am not going to be posting as much anymore, but y'all know I love y'all, and thank you so much for the support. And as always, nos vemos en la próxima.